Ubah perstun ten song sembut mirang ba kajala megalia badai kemi ya katanat kampoyeng la pentep baki bor pulit kariboi district kilayo kem ya arngut kibrio ki suba donkti pynïap dusmon ba elios rendong nyopos nem karta nakasnong Pahammawleiñ arpomer ya kani ba perstun la pentep ba jubab ya kamat ya kran leng ba ka zero awan notice belawan ra du nong thawain ka United Democratic Party na nongpo ba meral bonds hakasi ba ar ka dor bar mang tengka ka yeng dor bar thawain ka jala haka arpoi trik luber arjar pulai halo ka te ka jingja sya pynïap te tymmen.
I would like to request you to be very brief.
Yeah, I'll be very brief. Yeah. Thank you, sir, for allowing me to raise zero-hour notice under Rule 49A on the matter which come out in the newspaper Maupor dated 15 March 2023 under the caption Lempan lapsai ki pulit ya kirunar ba pynïap ya orang ba Pahammawleiñ arpomer. Sir.
Minister in charge to reply, please.
No, I'll speak. Sir, this is the incident
I'm sorry.
which has happened on the 9th of March 2023. The person by the name of Elios Rendong, he is a farmer from Pahammawleiñ village, Ribhoi district. He has been brutally murdered in broad daylight on the 9th of March 2023. He left behind his wife, 7 children, and 5 grandchildren behind. This act of barbarism is totally unacceptable in present-day generation. Sir, through you, I would like to bring into the notice of this August House to the government that action has to be taken at the earliest to nab the culprit, because as far as I'm concerned, till yesterday or day before, no arrest has been made so far. We are living in the state which is peaceful, and we known and we are proud. In Khasi we say gari tibriu tiblei. But this act of barbarism still exists. We have lost innocent life, be it at the border at Mukro, be it Lurshai Nyota, the KSU member, be it other citizen of our state. We would like to urge upon the government, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge home, the police will take swift action to nab the culprit, and justice has to be done to this bereaved family who has going through a very bad time, who have lost a father, who is looking after the family. And through you, sir, would like to urge the government to look into the matter and to expedite possibility to nab the culprit at the earliest so that they can be booked as per the law of the land. This is my submission to this zero-hour notice, sir. Thank you.
Minister in charge to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, at the outset, I take this opportunity to thank the honourable member of this August House, Bak Meral Bon Sim, Honourable MLA of Nongpok Constituency, for tabling this zero-hour notice under Rule 49A of the Rules of Procedure on Conduct of Business on the news item which appeared in the newspaper Maupor dated 15 March 2023 under the caption Klem Patlap Ksai Ki Pulit Ya Ki Runar Ba Pynïap Ya Orang Ba Pahammawleiñ Arpomer. This translates to police yet to find any clue in the murder of an old man by culprits at Pahammawleiñ 20th mile. Sir, on the 9th March 2023 at around 5:20 p.m., staff of Banihat Outpost received a telephonic information from Sri Karmun Seliang, headman of 20th mile Pahammawleiñ, Ribhoi, to the effect that an unidentified dead body was found at Clear Nyangbari under 20 mile Bernihan. On receiving the information, officials of the outpost immediately proceeded to the place of occurrence to ascertain the facts and circumstances regarding the information. Sir, on reaching the place of occurrence, police officials found one deceased body, which was identified by the villagers as Sri Ilius Rangdong, resident of Pahammawleiñ, 20 mile Ribhoi district. After observing all legal formalities, the body of the deceased was shifted to Civil Hospital Nongpo for completion of postmortem. Sir, on 10 March 2023 at around 11:30 am, a written FIR was received from Srimati Rakhel Suting, daughter of late Ilias Rangdong, to the effect that on 9 March 2023 at around 7 am, her father, Sri Ilias Rangdong, went to work in his farm at Clear Umdap Duki and did not return home. Sir, as there were no information about her father's whereabouts, she along with her family went to search for him, and it was only around 5:30 p.m. that they received a call informing them that the villagers have found one male dead body in Clear Nyangbari jungle, which was suspected to be her father. Sir, on receiving the information, they immediately proceeded to the described location, and on reaching the place, they found Sri Ilias Rangdong lying on the ground with grievous injury on his head. Sir, in this connection, a criminal case was registered via Nongpo PS case number 26 in bracket 03 2023 U/S 302 IPC, and investigation of the case is in progress. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to inform the members of this August House that the police is leaving no stone unturned, and early this morning they were able to arrest two suspects relating to this case. Sir, in this incident, I would like to assure the honourable member and also the members of this August House that the police force are on the job, and now the investigation is on. So I'm sure once the investigation process is completed, we will be able to further take necessary action accordingly. So once again, sir, I thank our honourable member from Nongpo who has shown his concern, and as I said to you, sir, we will also make sure that this instant case is ultimately come to light with justice.